I say this life not today for inside. When I watch it, I say not today for this life. You go just see somebody today, go just they go they healthy. Tomorrow, you not hear of that person again. With Lady T. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Drinks with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, or you have been watching me, you have not subscribed, please consider to hit that red button and click on that bell icon so you will know anytime we post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. This topic we want to talk about late Nicole, the dancer. People when you don't know this Nicole the dancer, or people when never fair watch the video when we don't do before, this Nicole the dancer, now one YouTube lady, she and her man, they dance well. If you see her, she's full of life. She did dance so well, even for Instagram and for YouTube. She get many followers. She tried to make many people happy. When she did pregnant, she still did dance with her pregnancy. She did try her best. They dance, still they happy, you know. You'll see the happiness in her, that in her relationship, now joy and happiness that day. For inside, if any relationship want joy and happiness, they are for the face. Now you for the see, especially people when be say they day Europe. Now their face, now you go know. There is no how when you pretend, you go know say this relationship or this marriage, joy day or joy not day. She really get joy for her relationship with her man. But something can happen when be say when she get belle, the pregnancy day 8 months, she always a complaint of chest pain, back pain, and all that. But finally, when she can't die, they check her, they can't discover say she gets many heart attack, and that one I can make her die. And they try to rescue the baby, they try their best, they bring the baby still died that same day, you know. Both of them go that same day. So finally now that they do their burial, and if you see people, if you see a lot of people, these people want they see so now, so there are many people that matters, different kind of people, different class of people. Now for the burial, they come her funeral, and her man they cry, her family they cry too, because this loss now great loss. Anybody when you lost anybody now great loss, because if you lost somebody, that means say you know will see that person again for your life, and that person maybe get one way or you get one way when we say it they touch your life, you know. Not be only by giving somebody something. Some if you just see them, you just get happiness, you smile, they make you laugh, they joke with you, the way they dance. Many people they really feel the heat, because even our fans too, they feel the heat, because only that dance when she did dance with her man, I hardly see husband and wife they dance like this for social media. I begin they watch the funeral, I just feel somehow in my heart. I just say, oh my God, this girl, this lady, when we say person they watch, she's full of life, she can move her body, she can twist her body and do all. Even when she did pregnant, she do all these things, and she just go like this. I say this life not today for inside. When I watch it, I say not today for this life. You go just see somebody today, go just they go they healthy. Tomorrow, you know hear of that person again. Only God now know the best. This life not today for inside. Nothing. We just want to do this, do that, we want to kill ourselves, we want to do this. No need to just try to hurt somebody or to do person bad. Okay, see her now. When during her burial, see people, see crowd of people, burial when they even do for abroad. Most burial when they do for abroad, people know the menu. Now few people go just dey, you fit count the people when they'll just come, they'll just do and come out. But see her own, see crowd for abroad. For you to know say now somebody will be say now good person. Because people like to come, a good person. So this life not a day for inside, nothing. Wetin we dey kill ourselves put? All these things are vanity upon vanity. You will see some people, they want keep person because of property. Some want keep person because of social media. Some want keep person because of Just dey jealous of somebody when you don't even know. Person when you never even see for eye, or never see close, just see say this person dey social media, this one dey social media dey talk, you just dey jealous of am, just get hatred for am, carry the person name even go babalawo place, carry the person name wan just try to bring the person down, try to bring the person hard and work wey the person dey do, try to just bring am down by destroying the person image. But if you try to destroy the person image, that one not reach, you even try to even go bring the person channel down, wetin dey for this life? Nothing. They are all vanity upon vanity. You wey kill person go die, person wey you kill go die. Wetin me just see for this life, na just for you to be happy and make people happy, just for you to be together as one, because nothing dey, nothing. The house where you dey drag, when you want keep person put, if you die, they no carry that house follow you. Abi na car na you want make you keep person, abi na husband, abi na man, abi na woman, abi na land. Nothing this world. Anything you dey do in this your life, just try to make yourself happy and make others happy. That is the most important thing. And take care of yourself, because they say when you eat for your belly, that be your own. Not only the food when you just eat for your belly, that just be your own. Eat good food. Eat food where go make your skin shine. Eat food where go freshen your body. Not just that one. Because nothing. When I just dey watch the burial ceremony, I see the way people they cry, people they hold her. Now they reach show, they not go follow and sit down for there. But death not the right letter come for person. At any time, go come knock, and once it don't come knock, the person go answer. He go answer. That's why you need to be good, get good name before you come out. No get bad name. At least if they want to remember Nicole now, they'll say, oh, Nicole the dancer. She dey dance, they make people happy. Even when she was in pains, even when she go dey dance, she go see they tell her fans, say, I am in pains, this and this. She just want to make people happy. She dey dance even when she was inside the pains, just to make her fans happy. If you call Nicole name for anywhere, now nobody go talk bad about her. If you go today, God forbid party say you not go. If you go today, waiting, they want know you put. They want know you as a troublesome person. They want know you as a evil person. They want know you as a bad person that brings someone down. Or they want know you as somebody where they make person happy. Somebody where they give people joy. Somebody, they want to know you, because one day everybody is going. Nobody will remain for this earth forever. Nobody. One day everybody is going. Only that is not going to be the same time. Will be in a different time. What do you think say they want know you put? Please, if you watch this video and you know say you be that kind of person where they make person happy, continue. Because even if when you go, people will still remember you for what you do, for your good work, for what you have been doing. People will still know you. Just continue, especially on this social media when we did so, because this Nicole the dancer now, she be social media person. Nobody know her as a troublesome. People know her. She make people happy. She dance to give people joy. That's her dance. She dey wipe so many people tears. And wait till they know her put. So you as a social media person, wait till they know you put. They know you put as a troublesome somebody for social media. They know you put as person where we say you don't follow all social media people call and finish. They know you as a wicked person. They know you as an evil person that want to bring people down. What did they know you put? If you know say you be that kind of person, there's still time for you to change. Time for you to change from your bad way to be a good person. You have the opportunity to change now, because when you are gone, no more opportunity for you. This is the opportunity. So evil people, they don't go where they dey now. They cry. They say, how we don't fit change the hand of time, make they come life again, make they turn to be a good person. But opportunity not taking. You don't have that opportunity. The opportunity is once, and at that opportunity you get now. If you are watching me, you are alive, you are watching me, listen to what I'm saying now. Change from your evil way. If you get any evil thought against anybody, or they say, you say, go and permit this person, or go and bring this person down, or go and claim what is not yours, and you know from your heart not be your own. Change. There's time to change, because when you are gone, what will you be remembered for? What? At least see Nicole now. I'm here talking about Nicole. I don't know her in person, but she's a social media person, and what I've seen in her is that she dances and she makes people happy. That is a good one. What will they remember you for? Because definitely everybody must go. Try to change. Try to change. You still have the opportunity now. Change from your evil way, because it will not pay you nothing. And that evil will follow your generation. There are some people, they know their life again, they don't die. But once their children just measure their name, say, I be so person pikin, that thing where they find, they don't give them. No. Not today. You see, nothing in this life, nothing. Just get good hearts. Make yourself happy and make other people happy. That is just the best in this life. Nothing more. And I know Nicole the dancer, she and her baby, they don't already rest in peace. I'll stop this video for here, and please, you can leave your comments and contribute to this what I'm saying now. You can still contribute, and many people will still see your comment down there. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and God bless you. We are not here to just say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you are sharing our video, you are changing life, you are saving life, and you are still changing situation of things. And we always pray for people that share our video, people that like our video, people that leave comment down there, people that support us in one way or the other. That Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. If you call one, thousands will answer you. I remain your friend, your sister, your girl, anyone you call me. I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.